And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the dialog tag. It can be used to create a pop-up dialog or modal. In simple terms, it just adds a sub-window to your page. Let me just add one as an example. By default, it's invisible. So if you just add it like this, nothing's going to change. If you want to use HTML to make it visible, just add the open attribute, and here it is. So that's the default style of it. One more thing to add is what comes before it will adjust its position. So if I add a paragraph before our dialog box right here, it's going to push the dialog box to the bottom. So the more paragraphs I add here, you can see the box gets pushed further and further down. But the paragraphs that come after it, and the code, let me add after here, this is not going to push it. It's going to appear to the left of it. So this is one thing to keep in mind when you add these dialog boxes. So after 1, 2, and 3 are not going to affect the position. But before, let me add some more. They're going to affect the position. And that's basically all there is to know about using the dialog tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.